Hey everyone, welcome to Techno Cafe. I am Ruth Chebres, your host on this channel. This video is the first of a series where I'll show you why the Apple Notes app is the most underutilized app. I'll be demonstrating things you can do in Notes that will make you start using it on a daily basis, like I do. In this first video, you'll learn how to incorporate photos or scan documents into your notes, create a checklist, and lock a note. So let's start. Have you ever wondered if you could take a note and add documents or photos to it? Well, the good news is that you can. Let's see how it's done. Open the Notes app. Tap to create a new note and type the details. To add a photo that you have in your photo app, tap where you want to insert the picture, tap the camera icon, and tap the first option, choose photo or video. Select a picture or pictures because you can add more than one, and tap the add link on the upper right side of the screen. Yes, now you have the picture as part of the note. You can also take a picture and include it as part of the note. Tap where you want to insert the picture, tap the camera icon, and then tap the second option, take photo or video. The camera is now activated. Take the picture and check if it's okay. If needed, you can retake the picture using the retake option on the lower left side of the iPhone screen. But if the photo is okay, just tap the Use Photo option on the lower right side of your iPhone. Adding document is also very easy. Tap where you want to insert the document, then tap the camera icon and choose the third option, Scan Documents. Position the document into the camera view. To see that a yellow rectangle appears on top of the document. Position the document so what you need scanned is inside that yellow area. Then you can click the shutter button. The picture may be taken automatically when the app identifies that everything is inside the frame. Once you take the first scan, you can continue scanning other documents. When finished, tap the Save button on the lower right side of the screen. See how easy it is? You can delete any of the pictures or documents that you added. Just tap on the right side of the document and tap the backspace key twice. Make sure you really want to delete it because once you do it, it's gone forever. You can't undo the changes. That one I learned the hard way. Creating a checklist in Notes is very easy and useful when you have to keep track of things that needs to be done to accomplish something. For example, getting ready for a trip and you don't want to forget anything. I know there are other checklists or task apps available out there, but once you know how easy it is to create one on Notes, maybe you will start using this feature more. Well, let's see how easy it is. Open a new note. Type the item in the checklist, select the items and tap the checklist option found on the bottom side of your iPhone. You can add more items to the list. Just tap the intro key and a new line will appear. Type the new item and tap Done. Now you have your checklist, and whenever you complete one of the items, just tap on top of the item to mark it as finished. There are times when you need to protect information you included in your notes. For example, credit information or passwords. The Notes app will allow you to password protect your notes and unlock them with Face ID if you choose so. So let's start. In the first step, we'll be creating a password for all the notes you want to lock in your iPhone or iCloud account. Open the note that you want to lock. Tap the More icon on the top right side of the screen. Tap on the Lock button. You can password protect the note and also use Face ID to unlock it. Type the password and repeat the password on the second field to verify it. It's recommended that you type a hint in case you forget the password. If you want to also use the Face ID option, just tap on the Use Face ID option to activate this feature. Tap Done. You'll now see the open lock icon, which means the note is unlocked and anybody can see it. To lock the note, tap on the unlock icon and the note will now be locked. Next time you open the note, you'll have to use the password, or if you activated the Face ID feature, it will open when you bring your face close to the screen. It's important to know that this password will be used for all the notes you lock from this moment on. You can eliminate the password protection to a note when you no longer need it. Let's see how it's done. Open the password protected note, tap the More icon on the top right side of the screen, and tap the Remove button. The lock icon is gone, meaning that the note is no longer locked. Well, those were only 3 of the features that make the Notes app one of the most useful of all. There are a lot more things you can do in Notes. Check my upcoming videos on this series. Let me know in the comments what other features you would like to learn about the Notes app or on any other iPhone app. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, share with others that may find it beneficial, and also subscribe to my channel. I appreciate the love. See you in the next one.